So 27 participants हैं. Should we start? Sanjeev sir?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
राजकुमार सर start करें.
Yes, हाँ मैडम start करो please.
जी. A very good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Sandhya Dikshit, on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, welcome you all in the valedictory session of this AICTE sponsored 5 days online short-term training program on Advances in Manufacturing Technology, CNC and Robotics, held from July 12th to 16th, 2021, and organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, J.C. Bose University of Science and Technology, YMCA, Faridabad. I welcome Professor Rajkumar sir, Chairman, Mechanical Engineering Department, other professors, faculty members, and dear participants in this valedictory session. After completing 5 days with highly learned resource persons in the field of advanced manufacturing technologies, we reached to the conclusion of this program. To begin with the session, let's invite the blessings of God Almighty with lamp lighting.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Now, I invite Dr. Rajiv Saha, convener of this program, to present a brief report of the FDP. Rajiv sir?
Thank you, madam. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, madam. So good afternoon to all. I, Dr. Rajiv Saha, convener of the STTP, welcomes you all in the valedictory session of the 5 days AICTE sponsored online STTP on advances in manufacturing technology, CNC and robotics, being organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, JC Bose UST, YMCA, Faridabad. This STTP was being organized under AICTE AQIS scheme, that is AICTE Quality Improvement Scheme. We were organizing a series of 3 STTPs under this scheme, and it was last of this series. This STTP covered the advances in manufacturing technology and particularly focuses on CNC and robotics technology. There were total 15 sessions, 3 on each 5 days of this STTP. We invited eminent experts of these focus areas from reputed institutes and industries. Total 11 experts presented their talks in these sessions. The experts covered the topics like robotics, the driving industry 4.0, part programming for CNC machining, multi-finger robotic gripper design and application issues, Internet of Things, Industry 4.0 and automation, kinematics of robotics, etc. As per the government guidelines, a dedicated session on new education policy was also included in this STTP. We received more than 100 registrations for this STTP before closing the link in a very short span of time. But as per the STTP guidelines, only 40 participants who have at least 80% overall attendance and qualify the test which is scheduled in the end of this program will be awarded certificates. Still, we are also trying to upload all the sessions on YouTube so that the participants who were not selected due to limitations of the seat may get benefited. So I hope that all participants and those who were not able to participate must benefit immensely from this STTP. With this, I close. I thanks all the dignitaries, colleagues, and participants. Thank you all. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Now, I invite Professor Rajkumar sir, Chairperson Mechanical Engineering Department, to give his blessings and best wishes. Sir?
Okay. Thank you, madam. Am I audible? Please?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good evening to all the participants, faculty, and the other esteemed members available on this platform. Well, definitely the department is feeling very grateful and very much pleased to organize this STC sponsored by the AICT. As the Dr. Rajiv Saha said that the department has conducted the 3 programs in the series of on this program. This advances in the manufacturing technology, CNC and robotics, and keynote speakers they have been invited, the SY Siddiqui ji from the Maruti Suzuki and Sudhanshu ji from Hero Motor. Definitely a very good speakers has been invited in this program, and it is very graceful to us that we have the 40 participants which have attended this program, more than 85% attendance as per the need of the AICT, as well as the interest of this looking into the interest of the participants. So I think the contents of the program was very good, and they might be very much helpful to the participants, and I think the participants, they might have learned very much from this program. And I am also very thankful to the Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, who has provided all the support for conducting this program, and also helpful to Dr. Sanjeev, Dr. Rajiv, Dr. Sandhya, Dr. Kishan, who are very much keen in organizing this such programs, and they are also organizing such programs for the departments, so that the faculty as well as the participants, they are the very much interested in doing this kind of the program. So with these words, I would like to pay my thanks to all the members, faculty members, participants, and the other organizing members for conducting such programs. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, I invite any of the participants, if they want to give any feedback or share their experience about the program. Any of the participants? Kishan sir? Mr. Daya Shankar Prasad ji को unmute कीजिएगा.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Dayashankar Prasad from MBN University. I am working in Mechanical Engineering Department. I want to say that all the sessions were very great, and it's based on practical knowledge. All the sessions was based on practical knowledge, and all the sessions will help us very vastly, and it's add in our knowledge. And I would like to thank to all the organizing member of this FDP, and very thankful to YMCA University, and hope more FDP will be arranged time to time for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Prasad. Anyone else who want to share their experience? So I think Mr. Sachin Kishan sir, प्लीज सचिन सर को अनम्यूट कीजिएगा.
अब वो कर सकते हैं, मैंने राइट ओपन कर दिया है.
सचिन जी,
Anybody
आप
can
अपने आप को
unmute
unmute
himself
कर
or
लीजिए.
herself.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for arranging such a grateful and knowledgeable sessions. So I'm a BTech student, and when I started this program, I don't much know about the Industrial Revolution and 4.0, the robotics, and how the CNC program. But now I feel very confident after reading all the sections that yeah, I can pursue my career in robotics in CNC programming, and how the industry going to be changed in next few days, how the 4.0, how the integration of how the integration with like different technology, how the machine will combine with computers. I get a very brief idea about this, and yeah, for this I thank you. I thank you, university, for conducting these sessions, and I request this keep this try to arrange such wonderful sessions periodically, so we can get a beneficial knowledge from these sessions. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sachin. So with this, we come to the conclusion of this 5 days FDP program. Thank you, everyone. Now, I invite Mr. Vimlesh to conduct the MCQ test and instruct the participants accordingly.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. So, all the dignitaries may leave this session. Now, there are some instructions for the test to all participants. So, we are going to share the Google form in the chat box. And in that chat box, there are 10 questions, and 10 minutes is allotted for that questions. So, there are two parts in the question. First one is the 10 question, which is totally based on the what you learned throughout this session. And next 5 questions, that is part B of the program, will be of the feedback. So total 15 minutes allotted to you. So now I am sharing at 2:50. There are 4 minutes for the setting of all the things. So in between, I request all the dignitaries, you may leave if you wish. Thank you for joining, and dear participants, you should be remaining with the. आप यहाँ पे रहिए और हम इसी आपको अभी चैट बॉक्स में 2:50 पे at 2:50 I am going to share the link with you. Oh, dear all, I have shared the link in the chat box. Please start your test. If any difficulties in between, you can directly connect to me through this Zoom schedule.
कर रहा हूँ फिर मैं
हाँ?
ये भी पूरा नहीं है। चलो आप देख कर
ठीक है।
तो
सर ये भी पूरा नहीं है।
ये इतने ही लेक्चर होंगे ना इसमें। वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट, आपको ये टेस्ट एक बार ही सबमिट करना है। एक बार यदि आपने सबमिट कर दिया तो फिर ये आप दोबारा नहीं सबमिट कर पाओगे। सो आप एक बार ही इसको सबमिट कीजिएगा फाइनली। इसमें 2 पार्ट है, आप पार्ट 1 क्लिक कीजिएगा तो पार्ट 1 पूरा कीजिएगा तो पार्ट 2 पे जाइएगा। Last 4 minutes, dear participants. Last 4 minutes we have. So please try to conclude your answers in 5 minutes. डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, नाउ आई एम क्लोजिंग द टेस्ट. यदि किसी का नहीं हुआ तो वो मुझे अनम्यूट करके बताओ, नहीं तो मैं अपनी तरफ से बंद कर रहा हूँ. Yes, those who have submitted can leave their session. Thank you, thank you, thank you. बस. नहीं खाता मैं मेरे सब में. जिसने कंप्लीट कर दिया है प्लीज लीव कर जाओ. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड यू आर द बेस्ट पार्टिसिपेंट्स. Thanks for your kind cooperation throughout the session. Thank you all. प्लीज आप अपने आप को मीटिंग से लीव कर दीजिए यदि आपका हो गया. दैट्स व्हाई मुझे पता भी चल जाएगा कि सबका हो गया तो मैं एंड कर दूंगा. Now I am closing the link. Thank you so much.